Hi everyone, I started my flower bed in here, and this is the one I working on, and I'm gonna plant all the flower in there, and I put in aside using wood around it so it will help the soil to stay on, and it's going to be a beautiful one. And there's a walkway through the entering in the house, and in the side I'm going to put also a flower bed, but it's a small one, so it's balanced the nice entering in the house. And I started already that, and then I'm going to use rocks on that around it, and the other one is a wood. So let's see what this look like after I finish it. This one I'm going to use in here to make a perfect box. And that one. And this one is going to be here. But I have to, first of all, and then I'm gonna put more of salt on that. Just gonna find another pallet wood to put in the other side. But we have a simple and perfect flower bed. It's gonna be nice. Look at that. Almost done. So excited. And the grass that I pull out in there, I'm gonna put back in the side. That's gonna be beautiful. But now I'm going to find another pallet to finish that other side. Okay guys, this is done. I finished it already, this one. So I'm just gonna put more of soil on the top, the fertilizer soil, so it's going to be, more healthy and mix it with the soil in here. So it's going to be like that. And I was thinking I should put a paint on this, but no, I think it's good already. So this is done. This is just so fast to make. Like, I think I just been here like 20 minutes and I finished already. Like, I just get this in the wood shop and I just put it together. Use the grass that you pull out from here and put in the side to hold it on, because this one is going to be alive and it's not gonna be dead. So that's gonna help to hold on the wood that you put on. But if it's not, I have to put wood on here to hold it around it. But there it is. It's finished, the one flower bed, and I'm gonna do it the other side too. So yeah, I'm so happy that It looks really nice. Now we're just gonna take out all the grass. So leave the soil in there. I'm excited because I remember before in the tiny house that I have a lot of flowers. So I'm planning of this year to have a lot of flower in the house. So we have a lot of bird. That's gonna be amazing. So all the seed that we received last year, that's the one we're gonna use for this. See? Okay guys, I want to finish this and then I want to show you how big I want to make in the other side. Okay guys, I have already put the wood in here. I have to put that aside, and I think I just have space in here a little bit for the other side. I'm having fun making box for a flower. I love flower. Look at that, almost done. And the other side, put it here straight, like this. That's good. Let's see. There's the something over there. Other one. We have to put it back the soil so it's not, so it's balanced. That's great. Okay, good. As you can see, I'm using the grass that I pull out in the box, which is helpful for holding the wood up. You just have to do that. Flatten. And then we're gonna put more of the soil on top. Perfect. Now I'm just going to cover this stuff here. Okay. flatten that one here. So good. That's perfect. And then go get the grass. Hold it then. That's good. Other side. Then make sure that everything is flat now. So there you are. We just have to put more soil on that and plant our flower. Oh, I like it. Look really good. Thanks everyone. Hope you like it. See you again.